It is said that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and you can make this most important meal of the day the most interesting. I'm talking about banana chia smoothie. In order to make banana chia smoothie, what we need is bananas, of course. I'm adding bananas. I've got some blueberries. They are very high on antioxidants. I've got some fresh strawberries. I'm adding some chopped nuts, chia seeds. These chia seeds are soaked. We'll add some honey and some coconut milk. One of the most interesting things, a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Close this, latch this. Time to pour this out. I've got a mason jar. Beautiful breakfast option. Now, I'm going to quickly garnish them as well. There. This is complete and breakfast is served.